Here we have a 2010 registered 5-door Toyota Aygo VVT-i Blue with a 1-litre manual transmission petrol engine. The car is finished in Cayman Blue and has done just under 25,000 miles. Key features include 1 private owner, air conditioning, CD player, electric windows, Bluetooth phone connectivity, auxiliary audio input, full-size spare wheel, remote central locking, ABS and tinted windows. This Toyota Aygo has been through our full and extensive service and preparation process to ensure it's in perfect condition. Reserve this car online today for 48 hours for an no obligation, fully refundable £100.